To fix a Frigidaire refrigerator not dispensing water, start by checking the water supply lines for any blockages or kinks. Ensure the lines are properly connected to the refrigerator and the water supply. Next, check the water filter, as a clogged or dirty filter can prevent water from dispensing. Locate the filter, usually found in the top right corner of the fridge, and remove it by turning it counterclockwise. Rinse the filter with water or replace it if necessary. Check the dispenser switch, located behind the dispenser pad, to ensure it is functioning correctly. If the switch is damaged, replace it with a new one. Verify the dispenser actuator, the rod that connects the switch to the valve, is properly aligned and not damaged. If the actuator is damaged, replace it with a new one. Investigate the dispenser valve, usually located behind the dispenser, to ensure it is not clogged or dirty. Check the valve for any mineral buildup or debris and clean it if necessary. If the valve is damaged, replace it with a new one. Check the dispenser tube for any blockages or kinks, as this can also prevent water from dispensing. Ensure the tube is properly connected to the dispenser and the water supply. If none of these steps resolve the issue, check the refrigerator's settings to ensure the water dispenser is turned on. Some Frigidaire models have a child safety lock or a dispenser lockout feature that may need to be disabled. Check the user manual for specific instructions on how to disable these features. Additionally, check the refrigerator's temperature settings, as extremely low temperatures can cause the water to freeze and prevent dispensing. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to call a professional to diagnose and repair the problem. Regular maintenance, such as replacing the water filter and checking the dispenser switch, can help prevent future issues with the water dispenser. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Frigidaire refrigerator not dispensing water and get it working properly again.